do it that way. So we're in a metal garage, and there's water getting in. So we're going to try to seal the doors because that's where the water's coming in anyways. And there's a long story behind it, but first thing we're going to do is where the water's coming in big time, which is my back door, which I put a little man door in, which is, let's see if we can turn around a little bit there. That's the man door there. The man door is the one that's letting the water in. And like I said, there's reasons for why water is getting in here at the doors. So we're going to try to block it. So this is going to be our attempt, and hopefully this will work. Let's see what we need. Okay, this is where the water's chasing in, is right here by where I built myself a bridge between my two shops. And so I'm going to put a rubber strip across here and even put some seal and flex, I think, on top of it. Well, what are we going to need first? Well, we're going to need some door seal. And this is really not for that specific type of job, but that's what we're going to use, is this door seal. Just put it down as something of a track to go across behind the door, where it'll actually help to seal the door up. And we'll need some way to cut it, so I guess we'll use some cutters. I'm thinking liquid nails and maybe a scrubby pad to help clean the area first. And we'll clean the concrete a little bit right across there. And it's kind of nice, there's a little line there where the door actually comes down now. So we'll install that, and let's see how that works out. I don't know. Okay, here's what we did. I've got a piece of lumber and some bricks on top just in case this doesn't work out. But I put a single bead of really nice thick caulking all the way down, and then I laid this door track stuff in place, and liquid nails, and got the bricks on there. Now on the front side, let's take a look at the front side. I also brushed a light coating of Flex Seal all the way down, connecting to the doors here and through here and all the rest of it. So hopefully this might puddle a little bit with water, but hopefully the water will be driven away from the shop and out of the garage, and I won't have to deal with this anymore. So hey, just a crazy project this week that just popped up with Coffee and Tools, and I guess you could say this is a little bit of an experiment, because really I'll be honest, I don't know what I'm doing, but I guess this will work, because I didn't want to cut all the concrete to try to stop the water from chasing in, but hopefully this will work. Hey, thanks for watching Coffee and Tools. That's a quickie.